Okay, so now what we have is that if we play the game, it will access our CSV file. It will fetch the 200 value. It will store in our data object. And this cube is accessing the data object and using this 200 value to move laterally on the y-axis. But what happens is that every time I play, it goes back to the same spot and then it moves just 200 points. So what I want to do is that I want to save uh, the new position of the cube so that every time I hit play, it moves 200 extra points to the right so that it keeps moving and it keeps going. Okay, so what we need to do then is to create a SaveGame class. So we're going to add a new C++ class. We're going to click on Show All Classes, and we're going to search for SaveGame. Okay. Yeah, and I'm going to call it My SaveGame. Okay, so all I need to do is to create a variable to store the new value for our y-axis. So it's going to be a float. I'm going to call it saved y. I'm just going to initialize it at 0, and I want to expose this using u property. Call it saved y. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my movement actor. I'm going to go back to my movement actor. And what I'm going to do is that on the header file, I want to create two functions. So one will be load game, save game. And I also want to declare a save game object, my save game, so that I can save my saved game inside this variable here. Okay, so now what we need to do is that we need to implement these functions. Okay, so for save game, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to access my saved y variable. And then I'm going to pass in the new actor location to it so that it stores and saves the new actor location. And I'm going to actually save it. So yeah, I already have gameplay statics. So I'm going to use u gameplay statics. It's going to be save game slot. My variable will be my save game. I call my slot my save slot.